Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. So today's settings is a little bit different. Some of their country right now, I don't remember what right here's the name, but I'm gonna ask and tell you. And up Barton's Old Harbour, and up here, nice. Them have donkey, peacock, turkey, goat. What's my left out? What they have? Love me sweet up alone. We're gonna go to the river because we're close to the river and with their country, so why not? But guys, I want to show you everything. Everything just looks so good. I just love country. I just wish I could just pack up my things and go country. And I'm telling a lie. Just around this play domino. Trini, you want these?
Yeah.
Guys, them a jerk chicken and something to carry down river. I just can't wait to the vlog of it just different. I mean, no one love the whole setting here.
NTM man.
That's on Cyril Bear? Yeah. Yeah.
Where are you run for?
Guys, meet my uncle, Uncle Sean.
Hello,
Yeah, and daddy look alike. Dad no.
I'm a twin.
Say hi to this pretty girl. Tell them what your name.
Asania.
Okay. Asania, that's a nice name.
Yes, nice to meet you, Nisi.
Yeah.
Because that's the first time I meet you, yeah?
I'm soon gone left for the so we just go and enjoy some family time. Yeah, we got the river and other family member there. Rhyme. You don't know Rhyme.
And try.
Guys, look at Uncle Sean here.
Did you give me?
Yes, man.
Alright.
Am I there? Pass.
3-5 you play there.
I'm me for player.
But you not play.
Oh. So this is a code. I don't know this.
A mini dance over local to you as well. And free of charge.
So we are go down at the river now, guys.
It's not far, just down there, but it's just there's a little hill.
Yeah.
It's rough. But you like this thing. Like we met them when I was about 13, 14.
Oh.
And then I went away when I was 16.
Oh God. Hear the river.
You hear it?
Whoa. Whoa. Guys, this is so beautiful. Because the river low, but jerk chicken and bread down here, nice bad. All right, guys, so heading back home. Well, not home, down at the house where I stay. Everybody reached down. I did stop and I changed my clothes in the car, but we did assume said the car can manage the road, babe. I mean, it could have managed, but would have one or two problem. Just change off because I did wet. But today was a good day. Whoa! Wow. For the whole of the river scene, I forgot speed up this because them did play music. You know the whole music thing go with YouTube. So I forgot speed up a whole of this phone now and just making to see everything what did take place. But I had a lot of fun. Jason never end up coming at the river because by the time him come in, rain start fall. You know we did have to come up because you know the river will come down and that's not safe. So wow.
Yeah, be careful and be a mud door.
Yeah.
1 planet.
It's okay.
It's not okay because it's not under your cracks. It's not under your cracks, man.
But today was fun. Guys, me have to take time. The ground slippery. And my uncle are going soon, guys. So, you know, it just feels so good. I get free. You know, just around my father, brother. And guys, you never see my father yet. But trust me, my father and him look alike. Them look like twin. So for everybody where I wonder what my father look like or how him here look, because you know my name Bobby Ram, look like him. Hey guys, so whole heap of days later, and sorry for end off the vlog like that, guys. All of my footage them get messed up, me lose some of them. It was just all over the place because when me did record the video, me never did edit it same time, and that's a really and truly my fault. So all of the footage them when me find, just put together a nice little vlog. I'm hoping to enjoy it. The reason why me did go missing because when back to school they just step in, me did just want to help my mommy just feel like, you know, make a kids them seasoning back in an online class, and me did just want dead for them. So anything with them not remember, them could have asked me, or anything with mommy not remember, she could have asked me, because it can be a bit complicated, me not lie. So me did just want them for seasoning back, help with assignments and stuff like that. Plus my baby sister just gone in a grade 1. Me think me need to make a video where me demonstrate certain stuff, because even now parents still have a problem with online class and all of that. So that's why I did go missing. to the lint off of the sheet. And it comes on to them education, more for ensure some did it. But mommy did a good job, me not gonna lie. I just 1 and 2 stuff she never did remember. I'm just glad somebody did it for, you know, just sure what was what and stuff like that, and help them with them homework and all of that, because the whole online class, to be honest, I feel like it make the kids them drop back. That's how me believe. Me don't know about your house, but me know what me see with my sibling them. The only person when I really manage so well, and I'm a baby sister, she just got in a grade 1, so she require way more attention. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I have a couple more videos soon to get. Guys, me way behind on editing, so I'm gonna try edit out all of the video them so I can get the video them. But that's how I did basically I do, and that did take up like my time. Bye guys.